Hello guys, my name is Walid Harun. Today I'm gonna be doing the math continuous assessment AMS quiz for week 7 for grade 8. Okay, so this is probably one of the easiest AMSs in the whole term. It's so simple, and if you don't do good, something's like seriously wrong with you. Okay, so first off, which of the following values of x satisfies the equation x minus 5? Okay, so whenever you see this, you work with the numerator only. Okay, what do you need to get 0? So what just happened? Okay, x minus 5. Okay, we're gonna replace them with, let's try 0. Okay, 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 is equal to 5. So 0, 5. If you multiply 0 by 5, is equal to 0. Is this equal to 0? Yes, it is. So 0 is one of the options. Now for the second option, we're going to replace it by 5. So 5, x minus 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So it's 5 over 0 again is equal to 0. And this is also equal to 0. So if you use any other thing like 3, 4, the outcome is gonna be wrong. That's all you need to do. You just need to replace the x's with the numbers. Okay. Forget about the denominators in these type of questions. Denominators, forget about them completely. Okay. Next question. Yeah. Okay. For this question, you can cancel x minus 3 and x minus 3. And of course, we said don't mind the denominator. So you're going to be left with x minus 7. Now 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So let me go a bit slower. Let me explain it a bit slower. In this case, you forget about the denominator completely, okay? But here, you can cancel x minus 3 and x minus 3. Okay? Don't work with the denominator. You can cancel it, but just don't work with the denominator. You're going to be left with x minus 7. Now, what can you replace with x for the outcome to be 0? It's so obvious. It's 7 equals 0. Okay? So for this one, it's 7. Okay. Now, 1 minus 1 over u divided by, so this long line means division. This means over, okay? The longer line means division and the small one means over. Okay? So let's work with this one. Of course, we want the same denominators. We're going to put this over 1 so it's going to be equal to a fraction, okay? We need fractions. So every time you see like whole numbers, you put them over 1 for them to be fractions. You want similar denominators. So it's going to be multiplied by u here, because this is u. We want the other one to be u. So it's going to be u over u minus 1 over u. And since it's similar denominators, we can just make it simpler by putting these two fractions together. So it's u minus 1 over u. Because u minus 1, and you don't do anything with the denominators. Keep them the same, just put them together. Okay? So we found the answer for number 1. Now, divided by, because this long line is division, you want similar denominators, so you make this over 1, and you multiply both of them by u plus 1, so you can have similar denominators. It's going to be u plus 1 over u plus 1 minus 2 u plus 1. Now we have similar denominators. We're going to do what we did here. Put these two together. U plus 1 minus 2 over u plus 1. Now we can simplify 1 plus 1 and minus 2. It's going to be u minus 1 over u plus 1. Okay? So that's the answer. Now since it's division, K, C, F. We're going to just flip this this fraction. Okay? So you're going to cancel these two. You're going to be left with u plus 1 and u. U plus 1 over u. And here they're telling you what's the question mark, which is obviously 1. So the answer is 1. It's so simple. ما بدأ تفكير. Doesn't need like a lot of thinking. This one, as we said, this just needs to go. Okay? Greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor is obviously 2 because 2 let's do the table. Okay? You can divide by 2. You're going to be left with 1 and 9. You can't divide anymore, so it's 2. It's the one to the left. And since they both have x's, we take the x and we take the lowest power. Okay? We never take the 2. We take the lowest power. So it's just x by itself. So this is the GCMF. And then after we get the GCMF, we divide it by all of this. So 2x squared minus 18x. You just divide it by the GCMF, okay? After that, you're gonna get 2x. You're gonna get x minus 9. And if you wanna get 0 is equal to 0, what do you have to replace? Like, you need to replace x with a number. So since this is blank minus 9, 9 minus 9 equal to 0. If you multiply this with anything, even 1 million, it's gonna be 0, and that's gonna be the answer. So let me just give you like an example. If this was 2 times 1000, 2000, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So 2000, 0, 2000 times 0 equals 0. Okay, do you understand? So, what was I doing? Yeah. 2x, x minus 9, we're gonna replace with 9. So it's gonna be 18. Because we replaced by 9. 2 times 9 is 18. And 9 here. So outcome's gonna be 18. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So 18 times 0 is equal to 0. So the answer is 9 because we replaced x with 9. It's telling you what is x equal to. So 9, okay? Never forget, don't put 0. This is so easy. Okay? We told you this line means over, the longest line means division. Okay? Excuse me. 21 over 11 divided by, since it's KCF and it's 7, we put it 1 over 7. Okay? Because it's supposed to be 21 over 11 times 7. K, change the sign and flip. Change the sign and flip. So this is going to be 1 over 7. 1, 3. Okay? 3 times 1 is 3. 11 times 1 is 11. So it's going to be 3 over 11. Okay. When you see big numbers like these, don't panic. It's also so simple. 21 over 32 divided by 20 over 14. You can do the simplification quickly. You can cancel the actually, like, no, don't mind what I just said. Okay, just do what I'm doing. Okay, divide here by 4, 8. Divide here by 4, 5. Divide here by 7. It's gonna be 2. Sorry. Divide here by 7 is gonna be 3. What was that? Okay. Can you simplify any more? No, you can't. And you cannot divide the denominator of another fraction with the denominator of another fraction. Like two different denominators. You can't. The outcome's gonna be 15 over 16. Okay? 3 times 5 is 15. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay. This one is simple. You want the same denominators. We're gonna put this over 1. Want the same denominators. So you're gonna multiply by 2x with the whole fraction. So 2x over 2x plus 5 over 2x. Put them together because same denominator. 2x plus 5 over 2x. So we found the first fraction. Second fraction is literally the same thing but with subtraction. I'm not gonna show you how. Actually, yeah, let's just do it, okay? So you don't get confused. 2x over 2x minus 5 over 2x. We multiply, we put it over 1, we multiply it by 2x with the whole fraction, okay? If you multiply by the denominator, you multiply with the numerator. This is something that you all know, but I'm just saying it maybe if you forgot. 2x minus 5 over 2x. We found the two fractions, okay? Now, we're gonna do KCF because it's division. You see the long line? It's division, okay? So we're gonna do 2x plus 5 over 2x times 2x over 2x minus 5. Divide. You're gonna be left with 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5 in the denominator, so 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5. And then they're telling you that the numerator is equal to n and the denominator is equal to m. What's the value of n? The numerator if x equals 10. Not the denominator, the numerator. So we're gonna replace x by 10. So 20. Hold on, let me just clear all of this. Okay. 2, 10 plus 5. Distribute 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. And that's the answer. That's the answer. Okay? Okay. I've never seen a question where the answer is actually 999, but in this case it is, because if you want to have least common denominator, you have to multiply this fraction by x minus 5, right? It's going to be 10 x minus 5 plus 3 x minus 5, because you multiplied it by the denominator as well, x minus 5. Okay? We have same denominator, 10 plus 3 x minus 5 over x minus 5. You can cancel it, so it cannot be equal to 3 over x minus 5, okay? It's going to be equal to 13 over x. You can't make it equal to 3x minus 5. So the answer is 999. I was also confused with this question, because I've never seen a question with 999. Okay. This one may seem hard, and you might get confused, but it's not, okay? First of all, just forget about this number. We're not going to need this number. We're going to need these two, okay? Because they're telling you that DE is parallel to AC, okay? Actually, just forget what I said, okay? Whenever you see these things, when you have two numbers over each other and another number over something that's random, you make this equal to x, okay? This becomes x, and this is they already have numbers, okay? So we're gonna do what? 25 over, this is an over sign, 20 and 30 over x. 25 over 20. Now we do cross multiplication. 600 is equal to 25x. When you divide by 25 on both sides, you're gonna get 24, okay? Let's just do the math quickly. Times 2, 50, 10, 100, 4. 24, okay? So it's gonna be x equals 24. Now, after you get the answer, what must the value of AB be? AB is supposed to be, if you understand. We have 20, and now we got x, which is 24, so we just add them together. So 20 plus 4, 20 plus 24 is equal to 44, okay? You don't multiply these two, you add them, okay? You add AB, and we found that it's 24. It's so simple. Is equal to 44. Excuse me. Okay. The geometry in this section is so easy, okay? Now, if you get confused, which like you're supposed to do what I'm gonna do right now, but I'm not confused. Literally, most people can do it mentally, okay? A, B, C, R, S, T. AC, 7. AB equal to 3. RS, AB. See, it's literally right here. AB is equal to RS. And AB is equal to 3. So RS, what is it going to be equal to? It's going to be equal to 3 as well, because I don't even need to tell you why. This is literally the same concept. L, sorry, my handwriting is not neat. R, S, T. If L, M, N is equal to R, S, T, then M, L, N is equal to S, R, T. See, what am I doing? I'm scribbling everywhere. Let me just rewrite this one. L, M, N. We put them equal. L, M, R, S, S, T, M, N. Okay? They're equal. Now, if M, L, N, which is S, R, T. Okay? Do you understand? This one is easy as well. You don't need to draw a polygon. Like, what am I saying? You can draw like a shape. I'm gonna use a rectangle in this case and say A, B, C. Oh, you always draw it in this order. A, so letter number 1 here, letter number 2 here, letter number 3 here, letter number 4 here. Okay? And we do the same for the rest. Letter number 1 here, letter number 2 here, letter number 3 here, letter number 4 here. AC is equal to MQ. See, it's equal. AC is equal to MQ. BC, no. AC over MQ is equal to BC over NQ. You see? They're literally parallel, I think. I'm not sure. I'm also stupid. NQ. Now this one is also simple. We're gonna draw two rectangles again. A, B, C, D, K, L, M, N. A equals 40. B equals 102. C equals 80. And D equals 138. L, which is equal to B, is also gonna be equal to 102 since they're parallel. Or like they're similar. I don't know what to use, but it's so obvious. I'm not good with geometry, but this is so easy. This one? Yeah, so you have to use the term similar. My bad, I'll use similar from now on. A, B, C, H is similar to D, E, F, K. AC, 40. AC is 40. DF is 5, okay? BC is 56, that means EF is blank. And guys, AC is 40, DF is 5. What did they do? They subtracted by 35? No, they did not. And these type of questions, you don't use subtraction. Use division, okay? 40 divided by blank is equal to 5. It's obviously 8. So 56 divided by 8 is equal to blank. What do you think it is? What do you think? It's obviously 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Now for this one, excuse me, they gave you 2 lines here. That means that N is equal to U, and they gave you 1 line, so M is equal to T, and L is equal to V, okay? We'll just draw the similar, what am I saying? Similar, whatever. So L, M, N is similar to VTU by the AA postulate. Why the AA? They're showing you angles here, 2 angles that are similar. Sides would be like this, 56 outside, UT, and then 56 here, let's say if these 2 are similar. But these are angles, they're inside the triangle. Every time you see something inside the triangle, they're angles. So similar to, I just forgot, let me just remember. L, V, M, T, VTU. VTU by the AA postulate. This one, I'm not even gonna draw anymore. DSI, so it's the one with one line, and then the one with no lines, and then this. So it's MKA. I'm gonna draw it with triangles. I, D, S, M, K, A. D is obviously equal to M, I is obviously equal to A, and S is obviously equal to K. Okay, do that in the exam. It's better. So D, which is M, DM, S, which is K because they don't have any lines, and I, which is A. I, M, K, A. These ones. Remove this. They have 88 and 43. This only has, this doesn't have 88. They both have 77. not 88. So this immediately goes away. I'm just gonna remove this. These are what we want because they have similar numbers. Now D, E, F, which is 43, nothing 77. 43, nothing 77. U, T, V. We're finished. Yara, I got all correct. I don't think I did. Yeah, I didn't. Ya Allah. 10. Okay, wait, let me solve it again. Triangle A, B, C, R, S, T. AC, 7. RT, 14. AB, 3. RS, it's 3 as well. Oh, I don't understand. 1 second. Guys, what I said just backfired on me. I used like 7 and 14, okay? They obviously multiplied by 2. So AB and RS, AB is going to be multiplied by 2 because they did it. And it's going to be equal to 6. I'm sorry. I just like noticed it now and I started slapping myself because it's such a stupid mistake. So guys, that's the end of the CA. Inshallah you do good in your exams. Ya Rab, you get a good mark. Over 90s. Inshallah 100. Hopefully I'll be posting more videos. Hopefully we'll all be posting more videos. Have a good night. Goodbye. And yeah, bye.